proposal I provide. We're recording the sewer line here at 457 North 65th Street. Date's July 10th, 2020. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City main. I'm going to pull back from here and get a look at the line. Recording this from the clean out down here in the basement. I'm running out of battery here, so I'm going to do it with a little bit of haste. So 6-inch diameter clay pipe coming through here. Pipe intact. Every 3 feet there's a seam in the pipe. That is what allows these roots to intrude, and that's why it needs to be maintained. That root's what's more than likely blocking you up when it does happen. So large root there, taking up a good 75% of the pipe or so. And we're turning there. Got a root coming up a turn here. And we've got, that's just more root coming in. Upside down, there we go, right in the ship there. Another turn there, and it looks like we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So that's 6-inch diameter. We're coming back into concrete 4-inch. And yes, there's a small chunk of pipe missing there at that seam. The line is still functioning, however. There's some root coming through there. Going back into clay again, and a little chip missing at the side of the pipe there where the clay and that concrete transition. Very common. Couple of turns. Got probably an old downspout tie-in possibly there where that root's growing through, large root coming through that section. There's a little dangler. Pretty good size one there. Big one right outside, so right as it comes out of the house and transitions from this cast iron, which is what this stuff is, into the old clay. There's a big old root there. And through the cast iron and back up out of the clean out. So there's our clean out access that we recorded this from. I'm going to end the recording there before my battery dies.